What's up, guys? Producer Faye here. Welcome back to the FlightLife YouTube channel.
Chill.
I'm here today with my buddy Chizz. You can't really see him. He's
FlightLife.
back there in the corner. But Chizz is going to be doing a lot more videos with me in the future. He really wants to get into the urban exploring with me. And guess what he just bought? He just bought a DJI drone. DJI should definitely sponsor me because look how I'm doing them. If you guys don't know, DJI is basically the Cadillacs of the drone world. He was asking me about which drones he should buy. As a starter drone, he went out and bought the Mavic Mini, which they have the Mini 2 now, but this is still a really nice drone. 2K camera, can fly up to 4 miles, GPS, everything. So today we're out here at Rosedale Alternative in Maryland, and this is going to be Chizz's first flight, so check it out, guys. Alright, so Chizz getting ready to fly. So if y'all want to check out some of my gear, see there's the Mini 2, and that's the batteries that come with the Mini 2. And you can see when Chizz opens up his box here, it's a little bit different between the 2 and the 1. See, the 2 comes with this kind of controller, and the 1 comes with this kind of controller. And they're actually a little bit different in size. If you look at them, just put them up next to each other. They are actually shaped a little different. See, Chizz is a little bit more straighter. Mine's a little bit more like rounded. Alright, Chizz, let's go. So we also got my FPV drone out here today, my GepRc Tinygo. Now this comes as a kit, and this is the Mini 2 bag. When you get the 2, that's the bag it comes in, but I got my FPV drone in there. And then this is the 1 bag. When you get the 1, some might say the 1 bag's nicer, but the 2 is just more
I just don't like the fabric on it.
Yeah.
It fucking soaks up everything.
Yeah, see, the fabric soaks up any little drop of water or anything. So yeah, that's the Mini 1. Get a close up on it. 2K camera. Chizz gonna be flying today for the first time. Any last words before you
Right. You saying that to the drone, right?
I'm saying that to you, but yeah, maybe you should say it to the drone.
It should go both ways.
Any last words there, little guy?
Anybody? It might be your last day here.
So Chizz got this new phone, and guess what, guys? It's gigantic. So
crazy.
So he's got the Mini 1 controller here. It fits most phones, but he's just got the giant phone for the giant guy. He's like 6'5".
It ain't that big to me.
So you see, you plug the wire in on the side. That connects the controller. And then it loops down through to come into the phone.
And then you slide it in there. Pull this out a little bit.
See, he's got to kind of play with it a little bit because his phone's real big.
It's ridiculously dumb big.
Did you get it? So we're out here at the school, and I had my tripod with me, but I was scared to pull up to the school with my tripod bag. It looks real suspect. And the school's in session.
Ready to do some real crazy shit.
We have so much gear, and this is only half of our gear that's out here right now, but look at it all, guys. All these bags, camera equipment, and more, and the tripod, and a dog. You know, I always got the dog. So this is the struggles of learning how to drone at first.
Need a smaller phone, that's what I need.
He's probably gonna have to order another wire that's longer, because that's the problem, is the wire being. Because you could get it in a certain way, but the wire's short that it kind of wants to bend the wire, and you don't want to break it, so that's kind of what his problem is. All right, guys, after a decade.
4 hours later.
He's got it. Did you get it plugged on both sides?
Yeah.
All right, you got your battery in. So yeah, you see, guys, the battery goes in the back like that. It's got a little door on it.
Transformers.
And Chizz wants to try out the prop protectors. I can't think of the name of them now for some reason. What did I call them? There's a name.
I have no clue, yo.
So look, this is how it goes. Yeah. Yup, slide in. So this.
What do these hook onto?
Hold up, let me see. This goes around the arms like that. Now move your props out of the way. And then, yup, you're getting it. That one's always a little hard, the back ones. There you go. And that's how you do it. Do the second one. Ain't hard, is it?
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
And this is the Mavic Mini 1. Chizz gonna be taking her up today for the first time.
First time, first flight, first drone, first everything.
And at the end, he'll give a review of how it feels for him. All right. Now, turn your drone on. And hold it. And sit down. Then turn your controller on.
Just connect the guide.
Turn the controller on first. Because that sets the app in motion. Really, if you turn them both on, the app will open itself.
For real?
Yeah.
Hit it and then hold it, right?
Nah, hit it once. And it's just like the drone. Then hold it again. We'll tap it once. Tap it. Then hold it. And then, there you go. It'll start going through the boot. And your camera should come on. It's on?
Yeah.
Alright. Chizz is going through his Mavic Mini tutorial right now. And there's the drone. It is a tutorial, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
See, basic operations, return and landing.
Is it telling you to land?
Tap here to open.
See, you ain't even need me. The computer got you.
Right.
How's it feel?
Yo, that's tight, yo.
Go up more. Just look, see, there's a plane. You already ready to take planes out. You can open this and then hit satellite. Now you got Google Maps, bro.
Wow.
So then you can, when you're flying at any time, if you were way out yonder, you can see it.
Know where you
And
at.
then you can reset your home point wherever you want on the map. Fly back there. And anytime you can just switch back. And now you got it down there. Look, it's showing you where you flip.
Wow, blue, hell yeah.
Yeah, this is fucking hard as shit, yo. What the fuck is going on, yo?
Yo's gonna be addicted now.
Yo, what is going on, yo?
Technology is so dope, ain't it?
Yes, yo, this is crazy.
You can catch it in your hand like I do. You bring your hand up under it, but that's up to you. Take your time. Remember how it goes up on its own? You just keep your hand there and keep the joystick held down. But don't stick your hand in the props, it'll cut you.
I know.
You got them big ass hands.
Oh, hell
It's
no.
scary at first.
Hell
You'll
no.
take your time, you'll get used to it.
Yeah, I need
It's
to get...
scary at first.
Yo,
Is your hand shaking? You see why my hand shakes?
yo, when I felt the wind, I was like, no, hell no.
I told you, dude. Once you understand it, now you see why you shake and shit. It makes you nervous, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, hell yeah, yo. Fuck that. I like my fingers. Not today.
Right.
No, sir.
Alright guys, so this is the GepRc Tinygo 4S batteries. And this is the controller. And this comes as a kit. And then it also has
Should I turn this on?
the goggles. It's up to you. You got 3 batteries.
Yeah. I'm just saying it ain't gonna spin up on me, is it?
It won't do nothing unless you do it. Look through there.
Oh, that's hard.
See, that's no delay.
That's how you fly it?
That's
yeah,
no.
it's definitely not. I seen you.
Because it's analog TV signal with these goggles compared to that Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it's the old analog
Yeah,
shit.
this is how I fly it. It's a little windy out here though. This little German don't like wind.
Yo, that's crazy, man. That look like a little military drone, you know?
Yeah.
Where it go set the bomb on somebody.
Fly around the camera. I'm gonna build a first one of these one day too.
You built that?
I'm getting my money together, but I'm going to.
Yeah, you nice with it.
These batteries are going up though. Pissing me off with batteries.
You gotta replace batteries every so often, yo. You know that.
Yeah, and yeah, you see how you can tell this one's a lot harder to fly.
Yeah, I see. Get out your way.
Oh, you're good. Where you at? Up there?
Yeah, I'm all the way up, man. I'm good.
Where you going? Towards the school?
Yeah.
This one won't go that far, and the batteries are dying already on it. Where you at? I can't see you now. You out there now, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm up.
If you come in close right here, I'll fly the mini drone around you and get some footage. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'll loop you. Come like right above us.
And I'm into all this electric shit now, yo.
Oh shit, I'm about to hit you.
Whoa.
Oh, don't hit me. Where you
All
going? Where you going at? Which way you facing?
I'm facing the school, like the tree.
Alright, sit still for a second. Mine's getting hit by the wind. This is Chizz's new drone.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, go towards the school.
Account not logged in, it's saying.
Yup, so that is what's causing you
That's what's
problems.
fucking with me, yo.
Watch it, watch it. You was close to that tree, weren't you?
Nah, yo.
Oh, it must just look closer to me. Oh, did you stop?
Yeah, I stopped. I gotta pull my camera up because I can't see.
Yeah, this is so dope. I'm following you with a drone. Come 5 years from now, me and Chizz are gonna be at the drone racetrack and shit.
Hell yeah, we're gonna be pros at this shit.
Making money with drones.
Racing these joints.
Where you at now?
Coming towards you, right above you.
These batteries just keep getting so low, bro. Right away, no time. When I thought of that idea, I couldn't stop. You always want to try to, you're not flying far right now. You always want to.
wedgies right now. Playing basketball on my shit. Alright, yo, that's what's up. I'm gonna follow you. Yeah. I wanna see what your content like.
Appreciate you.
Alright.
Chizz, what you out here doing, bro?
Just giving niggas wedgies. That's what I do. I mean, we out here for the people. We's doing our shit. You know how we do. Chilling. Ready to pack this up? Or what?
Yeah, it's too dark now. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's now dark. We've been out here flying for a couple hours. We really didn't plan this video at all. Chizz got the drone, and I love drones, and I knew he was gonna love the drone, so I was like, well, we gonna film. And then he's got a GoPro too, so he likes to film. Chizz really getting into the filming thing. So this dude just walked up to us. We were a little shifty, and he asked him to give him a wedgie.
Give him a wedgie. Like what is going on?
Yo, I felt
But
so
it was for his
awkward.
page, so I mean, if that's
so
what he doing
awkward
on his
for
page, I support that. I support everybody. That's what I do. But I just ain't trying to get robbed out this business. This is
Right.
Baltimore.
At least when I'm with him, I feel safer.
Man, he pulled that blam out, yo. I'm running too. What you
You
mean?
see how I kind of went behind him? Because I'm like, all right, if he's going to pull, I'm going to be on this side,
right,
you'll be on that side.
Exactly. But yeah, I'm trying to learn the drones and the camera and shit. I got a bike, electric bike, and I'm doing my thing on the bike. He doing his thing with the drones. I bought the drone, you know. So I'm inspired by this guy, yo.
You're
I'm
going to
trying
start seeing a lot more of me and Chizz.
Right.
Maybe G will pop in.
I'm gonna
I
be in
don't
your
know.
phones, on your TVs, and in your living rooms.
Yeah, man.
Both of us.
On FlightLife.
FlightLife. So
And,
check it out.
Yeah,
you know?
check it out. And everybody who's new to the channel started following through the Gabby Petito case. They still haven't, as far as I know, released the information having to do with Brian Laundrie's cause of death or the notebook or anything like that. I'm still following that, guys. So I'm definitely going to make more videos on that. Also, the presentation, for some reason, when I'm trying to export the whole file, I'm having a lot of problems with it, so I haven't been able to. But there's still part 1 that shows the whole case in part 1, and then there's part 2. And I'm still working on a way to get the whole file uploaded to YouTube, so that's definitely in the plans. But yeah, it's getting cold out here. We're gonna wrap it up. Like I said, we had no plans, and I haven't been on the channel in a while, guys, so I wanted to make something for you guys. Expect a lot more videos like this where you actually see me out and about. And Chizz. So we getting out of here, guys. Make sure you like and share and subscribe to the channel. Your support allows us to do everything from making investigation videos on the truth tracker side of things to flying drones. And you never know, if you want us to come to your town to shoot a drone video or a videography video of your house, property, work, anything, we're willing to travel. Just shoot us an email at rightflightlife@gmail.com. Website coming soon too. I'm working on it, guys. And that's also all thanks to your donations that went towards getting the website up. And merchandise coming soon too. So I'm gonna wrap it up. Once I start talking, you guys already know. Shout out to Truth Seeker, D Lord. And yeah, see you guys next time, guys.
I can't stop.